I don't have an intro.
You need to come up with one.
Hey, what's up you guys? Yes, this is one of my best friends, Kylie. One of them.
You have to cut that part out.
This is my best friend, Kylie, and today I'm going to be beating her face. So what kind of look are you going for today? Like, do you have like vision?
I don't really care. Except I look stupid when I have a lot of makeup on. So not a lot of eyeshadow. I like orangey tones. Pink tones are good too. I have blue eyes. It makes them pop.
Brace yourself.
Oh god. Oh wait, hold on.
Flit. Don't face your face away from the thing.
I'm not. I'm ready to be beaten.
Check, please. I'm done filming. Call my agent.
You won't have
no. I've milked a cow at the fair. Have you never been to the fair? Cows are in sacks for a long time.
Some babies are still born in the embryonic sac. Google that right now.
We're using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer Radiance.
My hands are softer than yours.
First of all, don't roll your eyes back in your head like that. I really don't appreciate that. I really don't appreciate that. Should I mix these on my hands?
Do I look radiant?
I should probably shake it.
Oh. I want you to know that that's too light. That's going to be too
No,
light.
I'm mixing it.
But that...
Who's the expert? Not you. Dad, that's a good match. Okay, listen. You're so fine. It's not even funny how fine you are. Do you watch Jackie Aina?
No.
Ah! I love her.
Now I'm deaf, so I'm not going to be able to watch her because I can't hear.
You only need eyes to watch her. If the lighting goes to I'm going to cry.
A few moments later.
You better stop! It's going to in the next half hour.
Okay, so now that you're beat to the gods,
Oh my god. Look how light that looks.
yeah, I never use it.
I poked all my eyelashes into my eyeball. I was like, oh god. Oh dear god, I'm scared. Please don't kill me.
Please don't kill you. It's powder.
I look up at the same time.
I don't really bake that much. I just put like a tiny bake. I only put like this
God,
much
I've
on.
never felt this, and it's terrible. How do they do it?
Okay, so I'm just gonna take your Morphe.
No, don't take that one. Take the big one. It doesn't have numbers.
I'm just gonna take the excess powder. So now we're gonna contour.
That looks like a line.
You look like a line, first of all, and second of all.
What does that mean?
I don't know. Ooh, pop. Let's show her the base so far, you know. Look at that. Okay, wow.
Oh my god. It's in my mouth.
I haven't been saying the products I've been using. This is Sin by Urban Decay. Continue.
Use it, then remembers. What is this?
It's the Tarte Blush and Party. I just had to say that as obnoxious as I could. Like,
Why?
because I had to. You just yelled in my ear. I felt violated. We're using the Modern Renaissance palette, or as some people on YouTube call it, the Modern Renaissance palette. Oh, I need to prime your eyes.
You
Almost
did
forgot.
with that concealer.
Yeah, but the Shape Tape concealer is better.
And the look is done.
So we're gonna use the shade Burnt Orange. Today we got out early because it was supposed to start like hailing, and we were supposed to get like 23 inches of snow. Now it's not even snow. Wow.
Stop.
I'm gonna use Railgar.
Wrangler.
She's a wild one.
Are you gonna do a cut crease?
I'm thinking about it, and I thought about it, and yes.
Oh, okay.
Now we're gonna take that brush again, and we're gonna put Can you? I'm gonna put red ochre on the lower lash line.
Brush.
I don't have a little brush.
I'm just looking at 5 right there.
I have a little brush. I'm just gonna draw like a line, and it's gonna look really bad at first, but then we're gonna blend it, okay?
Like slowly looking
Yeah,
up.
stop. Stop trying to avoid me.
Please stop. Ah,
You can't avoid me
You're
forever.
shoving that in my eye.
I'm not. I'm like the Duff to you.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
oh,
I am.
you're not. I said it.
Yeah. It, as in the clown, as in Pennywise. If I turn off the light, will it look better?
No.
Well, the lighting's gonna get increasingly worse. Now we're just gonna blend a little, you know. flick of the wrist. Question. Should I do a line like in your crease, or should I do glitter eyeliner with that Stila liquid metals?
Do eyeliner
Just like a glitter wing.
No.
Okay, then I'll do the other option. Oh yeah, this is the Stila liquid metals in
Kitten Karma.
Kitten Karma. Your eyes are done.
Oh, wait, that looks good.
It's bad, fam.
Turn that light on us. Wait, that worked. That looks like I'm being interrogated.
Wait!
Life hack!
I just murdered my brush! Look at me.
Wait, first of all, brush them.
Your eyebrows are so easy to do. Did somebody say beat?
You be my firefly. Take everything or nothing at all. Just say.
We got a blast because the lighting is terrible right now. But look at Kylie's B. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe down below. Love you. Kylie loves you. We love you. Bye.
Bye.
Jeffree Star.
Who?
Are you okay?
No, not okay.